It has, I think, 15 sketch pens. Can a bag of sketch pen really lift up 10 kg weight? Let's find out. A bag of sketch pen in itself cannot do much, right? It needs to have a leverage. So I have kept and got this rod to act as a leverage, but the leverage in itself is nothing without a pivot. And this is a dead battery which I'll be using as a pivot, right? And how long this rod is, it's 99 centimeters. All right, before going to 10 kg, let's try half the weight, which is 5 kg. I've got 5 kg at one end. I've got the leverage and a pivot. Let's place pivot somewhere in the middle. Yeah, about here, right? And place the weight. Well, nothing happened. Let's move the pivot a little closer, maybe half of the earlier half or quarter of the length, and nothing happened. Move it further down here, right, and place the weight. Actually, I'm just holding the weight, not applying my force at all, right? And nothing happened again. Let's just push it further up. Yeah, now I get the feeling that something may happen if I place it at one end, at the other end, sorry. Nope, nothing happened. Push it further up. Yeah. Now, oh yes, it lifted the weight. Right. Okay. Now let's do the impossible. Let's try to lift 10 kg with this. Okay, I've got 10 kg stacked, 5 kgs of dumbbells stacked over each other, 10 kg, and I'm going to place the leverage and pivot very close to it, maybe about 2 centimeters from the center of the weight, and place the weight at one end. Nothing happened. So let's further push the pivot. Actually, it's very close to the center, maybe about 1.5 centimeters away from the center of the weight. Now, nothing happened. Let's move further down. Maybe here, it's even further down, maybe about a centimeter away from the center of the 10 kg weight. And oh yes, yeah, it lifted 10 kg weight off the ground. Imagine just 150 grams lifting weight worth 10 kgs. And this is what a torque is. Thanks for watching.